Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Grok in your Tesla. Just follow these steps so you can understand how Grok works and how to access it inside your vehicle. Grok is an advanced AI companion created by xAI, built to give fast, accurate, and helpful responses across a wide range of topics. It's now available directly inside supported Tesla vehicles. Is Grok available on all Tesla vehicles? Not yet. Grok works on the following models: Model S, Model 3, Model X, Model Y, Cybertruck. But your vehicle must also have an AMD processor, software version 2025.26 or later, premium connectivity, or a Wi-Fi connection. Tesla may add Grok support to more vehicles through future over-the-air updates. Availability can change anytime. To enable and use Grok, tap the app launcher, then select Grok. You can also press and hold the microphone button on your steering wheel to activate it instantly. Grok can now assist with navigation commands, such as setting a destination, adjusting your route, or finding points of interest. To use Grok for navigation, set its personality to Assistant and make your request. Keep in mind, your Tesla must be running software version 2025.44.25 or later for navigation features. Note that Grok is currently in beta, and it cannot control vehicle systems like climate or media. Your regular Tesla voice commands still work the same for those features. And that's it. Once you follow these steps, you'll be able to use Grok inside your Tesla anytime.